Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kisha. This is AJ, and you can find out more about us on the blog at KishaJaggers.com. That link is in the description box with links to all of our social media. You can see a lot more pictures of him on Instagram. So today we are going to be sharing what AJ eats in a day. And I wanted to talk to you guys for a couple seconds before I share the video with you. AJ is 10 months old. And he is trying all kinds of new foods. He's basically feeding himself every meal. I do help, with oatmeal or, whatever. I help with pouches sometimes. But he really likes to eat, and he is trying new food, new flavors, new textures, new spices, and it's so fun. It really is. But he's 10 months old, and what you're going to see in this video is clips from different days. I didn't share what he eats in one single full day. I will in the future, but I haven't shared that. Our house is crazy. It changes day to day, and I just recorded when I could. So I wanted to point that out because you'll see him in different little outfits throughout the video. I also wanted to talk about a few favorites of AJ's before you see the video, because you're only going to see a few foods. We do pouches. We don't do pouches for every meal. I keep a couple in my purse, but we do them for breakfast at times. He'll sit in his jumperoo, or he'll be in his little walker, and we will pick a breakfast pouch, and he likes these a lot. He has the concept down, but he can't squeeze them quite yet, but we're working on it. And he has these a couple days a week, and it's another way of getting more fruits and vegetables in with a snack, than what he's getting with meals as well. He loves the mini rice cakes. These are super good. He loves these. He also loves puffs, and these are really good for him. They're the purple carrot and blueberry. We have tons of them. This is sweet potato. We have banana. Lots of different puffs. He's leaning so heavy. Oh, getting to be such a big boy. He also loves fruit. I think his favorite that I can tell would be mandarin oranges. He absolutely loves these. He loves blueberries. He loves strawberries. He loves bananas, and we don't have to cut them up that much anymore. He can hold them. He's got 6 teeth, and he's chewing really well. He actually bit me the other day, so he's figuring out what those teeth are for. He loves avocado, which will be part of his snack today. I think I said sweet potato. He loves grapes. Gotta be sure to cut them up really well. Another one of his favorites are these little pickups. These are from Gerber, and this one is the turkey and vegetable. He loves these. They're the perfect size. They come in a bunch of different flavors, and he goes through like a half a package per sitting. So this will last for 2 lunches, or maybe 1 dinner and 1 lunch, whatever. Most of the time though, AJ eats with us, especially for dinner, unless we're having a late dinner. And I've had to dial back the time we eat for him, so we could all eat together. I like to eat around 7 p.m. and most of the time it's okay with him. If he's had his naps and he's feeling okay, he goes to bed about 8 to 8:30 most nights. So he is doing really well with eating, and I just wanted to kind of let you guys know some of his favorites and some of the different things that we feed him besides what you're going to see in the video. I think he's hungry right now, so I'm going to get him in the high chair and give him a snack because he just got up from an afternoon nap. Let's go. Usually when I'm getting his lunch or breakfast ready, I'll give him a few puffs just to hold him over. Now, we have a nummy plate, I think it is. You'll see it in the video. It does suction, but he can get it up. A lot of times I pile his little portions right on the high chair plate, and I will get a new plate for him very, very soon. So I'm going to get his snack ready. You guys enjoy the video. I'll see you at the end. Enjoy. I also want to point out that before AJ lays down for naps and before he lays down for bed, he always has a bottle. He has anywhere from 4 to 8 ounces, whatever he wants, and he is offered a bottle first thing in the morning as well, as you will see, but he always has his formula before he lays down, and then we just give him his binky and lay him straight down. So when AJ first gets up, right now it's about 8:30, he always has his first bottle. So usually I change his diaper, I get him in his little bouncy seat here, or I hold him. He enjoys his little bottle. Good morning. And we watch the news together while I have some coffee and he has some milk. It is about 8 a.m. I am fixing AJ's breakfast. Today he's going to get some scrambled eggs, some smoked sausage without the skin. Can you hear that he's hungry? And some strawberries. So I'm going to get everything ready and get him eating. So here is his breakfast. He has scrambled eggs, strawberries, and some smoked sausage without the skin. And he also has his favorite little sippy cup here with a little bit of Gerber apple juice. It's already watered making his way in here to me. So I'm going to get him up here and let him start eating his breakfast. Strawberries first? I know you like strawberries. Okay, so for AJ's lunch today, we're doing something very simple. We're doing these pasta pickups. This is cheese and spinach ravioli, and it's right there. Those are cut in half. And these little raviolis are perfect for him. He's got some grapes that are cut up, and he's got some carrots. So he's going to enjoy that, and he's really good at eating. It just takes him a little while. Is it good? Is it good? And that's his lunch today. Yum, yum, yum. So AJ is playing, and he's rolling around in his walker right now. He's going to have some of these puffs as a snack. It's purple carrot and blueberry, and he loves puffs. Absolutely loves them. I don't think we could get through the day without them. Put him on his little tray, and he rolls around and enjoys his snack while he plays. Also has berries, and he's just started feeding himself some whole strawberries. He just kind of gnaws on them. Look at that strawberry base right there. There's some puffs on the floor back there that came off his little rolly thing here, but he loves fruit, and I was a little worried about him choking with a whole berry, but he's doing great. And he's got 6 teeth now, so he's doing great eating. Nom nom nom. Is that very good? Is that very good? Nom 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 nom. You're so cute. So for AJ's dinner tonight, he is having some of the chicken with the basil pesto cream sauce that we're having. He's having some green beans, and he's having some grapes that are cut up and some mandarin oranges. We also have potatoes that we're serving with it, but I'm not going to give them to him. I think this will be more than enough for our little baby. One thing I did forget to mention is that with every meal, AJ has water, and he has it in a sippy cup. He's doing good with sippy cups. He's not 100% just on sippy cups, and he always has a bottle before bed as well. So he is doing really good. He tore up the oranges first, and he'll eat the avocado usually last, but he does eat it and seems to enjoy it. But I really hope you enjoyed seeing this. Every baby is different and you know, has different likes, but so far he's not picky, which is a great thing. Anyway, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to get subscribed. Follow along on Instagram and you'll see more of his cute little face. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Say bye, AJ. Say bye.